how to close your Koho account. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can close your Koho account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now you can see here, it is written that in order to close your Koho account, you have to ensure that your account balance should be $0 and then open up a chat with them with that request. So in order to open a chat with them, what you have to do is open up the Koho website on your laptop or PC. After that, you have to click on this company option. Over here, you have to click on contact. After clicking on it, you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to just scroll down until you see this. Here, they have written the way to how open up a chat with them in order to close Koho account. So that's how you can close your Koho account. That's all for this video.